हेलो गाइस, सो दिस ईयर 2025 हमारा बहुत ही बेहतरीन से शुरुआत हुआ बाय विजिटिंग टू टू टेम्पल्स बिकॉज इट वाज संक्रांति हॉलीडेज एंड इट वाज आल्सो माय हस्बैंड्स बर्थडे। तो हमने उसको सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए वी एंड माई इन लॉज वेंट टू देवस्थानम विच इज़ सिचुएटेड इन हैदराबाद। तो सबसे पहले हम गए थे स्टे आउट करने के लिए इन ए रिसोर्ट विच इज़ ए प्राइड स्पेक्ट्रा रिसोर्ट इन यादागिरी गुट्टा, और वहाँ से हमने 2 टेम्पल विज़िट किए। द फर्स्ट वन इज़ स्वर्णगिरी श्री वेंकटेश्वरा टेम्पल जो कि भुवनागिरी में है, जो थोड़े ही डिस्टेंस पे था फ्रॉम द यादागिरी गुट्टा कमिंग बैक टू द हैदराबाद। So temple was good, the darshan was good and we really enjoyed it. It was not at all crowd and हमारा दर्शन बहुत अच्छे से हुआ। And next day we have a 2-day stay in Spectra Hotel. So next day, which is very near to the Spectra Hotel, that is Yadagiri Gutta Shri Lakshmi Narasimha Temple. तो हम ये सेकेंड टाइम जा रहे हैं बिकॉज हमारे इन-लॉज इससे पहले नहीं गए थे. So we already know the procedure, we know the routes, we have already online booked our tickets for both the temples, so it is much more easier if you have already booked your tickets. So we also have booked our car parking at the top of the hill. So we parked our car and then we waited for our that is break darshan. So we have booked for break darshan tickets just like the previous time, and it is very convenient because the gate opens around 8:30 for the break darshan. So जब तक gate नहीं open था, we had our photography, videography there, and after that we submitted the phone. सो दोनों मंदिरों में बहुत अच्छे से दर्शन हुए. इट वॉज़ रियली गुड एक्सपीरियंस. तो अगर आप हैदराबाद में रहते हो तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू विजिट दिस 2 temples. बोथ आर वेंकटेश्वरा temples and one is Narasimha and one is Venkateshwara. So you can definitely go, and if you want to visit both the temples on the same day, it can be covered because the distance between the Yadagiri Gutta temple and the Bhuvnagiri Swarnagiri temple is not that much far. So if you have online booking for both the temples, but yes, you cannot be visiting that break darshan time because the break darshan timing is only at 8:30 morning. So you can do one thing, you can go for the break darshan directly to Yadagiri Gutta temple, and then while returning you can go to the Swarnagiri temple, cover both the places and return back to Hyderabad. After the temple visit and lunch on the way, we actually celebrated my husband's birthday by directly going to the barbecue nation. So first we cut the cake in the resort itself, and then we joined in barbecue which is near to my house in Hyderabad, Attapur. So that's how the day was all about. So that's what the video is all about. I hope you like this video, and if you want to know, check out all the procedures and everything about visiting Yadagiri Gutta temple, then just watch my previous video which I have explained everything, what you should carry, what you shouldn't, and how. I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this. Thank you.